got a cute little pig here, planter. Drilled holes in it. We're gonna put some plants in it. This is Sweet Woodruff. It's a perennial, like shade. Creeping Jenny, like shade. Some pink impatiens. And I love the look of this Dusty Miller with the pink, but I don't know that we're gonna have room for it. So we'll see. So we're gonna start off with some potting soil. That should be a good start. Might be too much. So we're going to put this in. Clean it just a little bit. I'm going to put it right in the front. You know, maybe just offset just a little bit. And a creeping Jenny. I want to leave about an inch on the top for room to water. Let's go ahead and fill this in. This is, oh, I don't know what this is. These need a little loving. I may cut these back a little bit. Getting a little leggy from being squashed together in the little 6-packs. Looking good. So I'm not going to quite seat that one quite yet. I want to see if there's room for this Dusty Miller. Kind of see how it looks. Yeah, I'm not really liking it, so I'm going to take it out. It's going to get pretty big anyhow, so. In there. Add a little more potting soil. Put that down in there. Right there. Oh, it looks really cute. I think. And we need to add some fertilizer. This is Osmocote. A little bit in here. Try to get some around each plant. A little more potting soil there. Oh, I made a mess. Bigger one than I already had. So, I think it turned out really cute. See if we can kind of incorporate these together. Make it look like it's been growing that way for a while. Might take a little bit for those impatiens to fill out a little more. Pull some of this back. there. Okay, they need water, so I'm going to water that in. And I think it turned out just really, really cute. See you later. Bye.